Question 1. World Television Day is observed every year on 21st November. 1. The United Nations General Assembly declared this day as World Television Day because of the impact of television in bringing attention to the conflicts and threats to peace and security. Question 2. Kameng Hydro Power Station has been inaugurated in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. 1. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 600 megawatts Kameng Hydro Power Station in Arunachal Pradesh. 2. The power station has been developed at a cost of more than 8,450 crores rupees and it aims to turn Arunachal Pradesh into a power surplus state. Question 3. Who has become the first Indian woman paddler to win a medal at Asian Cup table tennis tournament? Manika Batra. 1. Indian table tennis player Manika Batra defeated world number 6 Hina Haita of Japan in the Asian Cup 2022 women's singles bronze medal match in Bangkok, Thailand. Question 4. India has taken over the chair of Global Partnership on AI from which country? France. 1. India took over the chair of the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, GPAI from France on 21st November 2022. Question 5. Who is the winner of the 2022 ATP Finals singles title? Novak Djokovic. 1. Serbian player Novak Djokovic beat Norway's Kasper Ruud to collect a record-equaling 6th ATP Finals singles title. Question 6. Which grouping has agreed to establish Special Loss and Damage Fund? COP27. 1. It will help to make up for the losses suffered by developing nations that are vulnerable to climate change. Question 7. Who has represented India at the inauguration of the FIFA World Cup 2022 in Qatar? Jagdeep Dhankar. 1. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has represented India at the inauguration of the FIFA World Cup 2022 in Qatar. 2. He visited there at the invitation of Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Amir of the state of Qatar. Question 8. What is the rank of India in the Network Readiness Index 2022? 61st. 1. India has improved its rank by 6 slots in the Network Readiness Index 2022, NRI 2022, report and is now placed at 61st rank with a score of 51.19. Question 9. Who is the author of a new book titled The World, A Family History? Simon Sebag Montefiore. 1. British historian Simon Sebag Montefiore has released a new book titled The World, A Family History. Question 10. World Children's Day is observed every year on which day? 20th November. 1. To promote awareness of the children all around the world who have been victims of abuse, exploitation, and discrimination. Question 11. Which book has won 2022 JCB Prize for Literature? The Paradise of Food. 1. The Paradise of Food, Juggernaut, by Khalid Javed, translated from Urdu by Baran Farooqi, has won the 25 lakh rupees JCB Prize for Literature. Question 12. What is the name of official mascot of the Qatar World Cup 2022? Laib. 1. The official mascot of the Qatar World Cup is Laib. The adventurous, fun and curious Laib was unveiled during the Qatar 2022 final draw, which took place in Doha on 1st April, following a tradition that was initiated in England 1966. Question 13. Who was conferred the Gandhi Mandela Award 2022 by Himachal Pradesh Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar? Dalai Lama. 1. The 14th Dalai Lama was conferred the Gandhi Mandela Award 2022 at Thekchen Chuling in Dharmshala's MacLeodganj by Himachal Pradesh Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Question 14. Daljit Kaur passed away recently at age of 69. She was actress. 1. Veteran Punjabi actress Daljit Kaur passed away at age of 69. She was one of the most popular actors in the Punjabi film industry through the 1970s and 1980s. Question 15. Who won the season-ending F1 Abu Dhabi race in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates? Max Verstappen. 1. Formula 1, F1. World champion Max Verstappen of Red Bull team won the season-ending F1 Abu Dhabi race in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates.